friends, Namaste. Welcome to Sarathi Easy Cooking channel. Today I will show how to make Okra Bhindi 65 fry. Let us see the ingredients required. Take 700 grams of okra, wash it well and dry it with the cotton cloth. Now cut both the edges and cut it lengthwise. Make 4 slits of it and remove all the seeds from it. If the okras are tender, there is no need to remove the seeds. You can just add it, slit it and add it. Now, again cut the okras into halves. Take 700 grams of okra, 4 teaspoons of Bengal gram flour, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half lemon, fresh lemon, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon amchur powder, quarter teaspoon AJWIN seeds. If you don't like AJWIN seeds, you can omit. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 small stick cinnamon, quarter teaspoon of black peppercorns, 3 number of cloves, 1 dry red chili. Now powder all these in a mixer jar to a fine powder, or you can even crush it with the hand crusher and make it fine powder. Take 400 ml of oil and salt to taste. Now transfer all the okras to a big bowl. Add ginger garlic paste to okras and add Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, AJWIN and amchur powder to the okras. Add the ground masala powder to the okras. And add required amount of salt to the okras. Now squeeze the half lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Now close the bowl with the lid and give vigorous shake till all the masala get mixed up very well to the okras evenly. See whether the masalas are mixed up evenly, or you can mix it with your hands also. We can later add the gram flour and rice flour. Now close the bowl and marinate this at least for 1 hour. After 1 hour of marination, open the bowl and give a good mix with your hands. Now add the rice flour and the gram flour and mix it well. Now heat the oil in a pan for deep frying okras. When the oil is hot, reduce the flame slightly and put the okras, a bunch of okras, to the hot oil and deep fry till golden brown. Keep the flame in medium high, not too high. Then okras won't cook well. It will get burnt and it will taste bitter. So keep the flame low on a medium flame. Now, when the okras are golden brown, remove from the oil. Fry all the okras same way in batches. Now okra fry is ready for serving. It has come out very crispy. Hope you all will like this. Please try my recipe. If you like it, please give me a comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.